Welcome to an exciting day, a day where we get a new Mag 600 from Magna Carta. So if you follow my channel, you know that I've had a Mag 600 for a little while and I absolutely adore it. However, it would consistently leak ink outside of the converter into the body, and that could even flow onto the outer threads as well. And I've tried multiple converters. It wasn't the converter, it was an issue with the pen. So when I saw that Goulet had the, this was a Goulet exclusive color, when I saw they had this one color I wanted back in, I reached out and saw if I could get a replacement. And they came through in such a fantastic fashion. I'm going to tell you all about it. All right, so when I reached out, they were very responsive, and I ended up getting a tech, Brian K., not Brian Goulet. He had a different last name, using initials. Anyway, Brian K. was an amazing technician, and I really appreciated all of his work. I got detailed emails on my pen, guys. They thoroughly took this thing apart to a degree that I would not expect a retailer to do. Not only that, but they provided me with insights. They told me detailed measurements, like super detailed, to see, you know, the differences between a replacement and the one I had. It was a really thorough and enjoyable experience, and I would absolutely recommend them based on their customer service. Oh, no way. Cool, hold on a sec. I think I got a handwritten letter back. So I wrote them a handwritten letter and, you know, just thanking them for taking care of me, because they could have given me a hard time, but they supported the product, so got to support it where it's good. Mike, what a journey with the pen. As of now, the nib's the same with my feed, but I have a new housing, pen body, grip, and cap. The flex is great, no leaks or drips. Nice, excellent, and it outperforms what it did before, which makes sense because if there was an air link before, I was not getting my full ink flow potential, so I'm excited to try it. Sorry for the delay and the hassle. I hope this lives up to its potential. Excellent handwriting too. I love this S and this Y. Nice. This is Montverde Blue Skies all over his fingers. Brian K. And that's on Clairefontaine Triumph 90 gram. All right, very paintbrush, much ink. I like the Doge reference. Nice. So yeah, great customer service. I was enthralled with the back and the forth and all the detail they did. Anyway, on to the pen. Here we go. Magna Carta Mag 600. Now this one has been thoroughly tested, as we just read, and they asked me, he tested both the new nib and the old nib that I had, and the newer one was a little bit less flexy than the one I had originally, which was in the original run. So I ended up, they asked me, do you want me to transfer it over? I said, yeah, give me the flexier nib. So this is my original nib on a new pen. And first I'm just going to check out everything, check it out for any blemishes, defects, as you would any new pen, but I know this has been thoroughly checked. This was a Goulet exclusive color that I really liked. I was looking at the Mag 600. I didn't like the black feel, you know, and it's just like some other pens, you know, you can get it in any color as long as it's black, but I like a little bit more, you know, color show. So when I saw this was a really neat pattern, so there we go. I can't wait to ink that up. All right. Well, stick with it and let's see how it goes. I love that they put my original nib on here too. I'm actually going to go ahead and ink this up with my Colorverse Colorvent 2024 Aquarius Whispers from today. So this was my advent today as of filming, so. Take a look at that nib. Magna Carta. The newer ones, the newer nibs that they make on some of the other Magna Cartas have the caret there, but this is one of the originals. Okay, here we go. Galen Leather Journal. I'm going to open up to a new page. And let's give this a test. Let's try this out. There we go. Wow. Definitely flows better. That is definitely looking sweet. Thank you so much for taking care of me. The tech over there at Goulet, Brian K., thank you so much. That was awesome. And now I can officially put this back on my top recommendations for pens. This is a joy to carry, and I'm so happy to have it back in a working fashion. Love this nib. All right, guys, thank you very much for checking us out. All right, stay tuned for more hijinks with my now fully operational Magna Carta Mag 600 in a limited edition color. With my original run nib that was a little bit more flexy, and that's why I requested they put it on. Well played. Thank you, Brian K., the tech that helped me out. Thank you to Magna Carta for making such a cool and fun nib to play with. And thank you guys for coming with me on the journey and listening to my tales of woe about my Mag 600. But now, woo, she's back in working order. Next up, stay tuned. I just got 2 new nibs in. This is a crazy stacked nib that will be going on a pen yet to be determined. And I also got a very cool grind that, here we go, look at that. Another cool one I got.